Good morning. Today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. I don't seem to keep you interested in watching the video here, so let me show you how the first number was picked, and I'll show you. But you will have to calculate for yourself. So let me just show you a few numbers here. Once you get the first number is very important. Then the other numbers comes in behind it easy. So we want to do the Mega Million, just played last night, 10, 2 of 18. So, a different way of looking at it. So let's go over here to the middle number. We're going to be working strictly with the middle numbers. 52, the 32, and the 11. Okay. 2 from 7 is 5. 5 from 9 is 4. 4 from 12 is 8. Okay, the next number we're going to look at is a 32. Still in the third row, and we're looking for the 39. How did we come up with it? So we'll go 32, the 39 is 7. So 32 and 7 is 39. Still, middle row, so we go 11 minus 8 is 3. So come back down to the third number and go 2 and 1 is 3. From 11 is 8. What I'm going to do here is show you how to go to the next drawing. This is what everybody wants. Everybody wants me to give them the number, but it will not happen, cannot happen. So let's start off. We're looking at a 29, but before we get there, let's go down and look at something that you don't even pay any attention to. So we're going to look at this drawing, the previous drawing, and the drawing before that. So I look at these numbers and I go up, so it goes from 8 to 39, so that's higher number. From this number to 45, 45 is higher than the bottom number. 32, 52 is higher. 48 to 56 is higher. 61 to 59 is lower. 12 to 15 is higher. These numbers, majority of them, they don't always do it all the time. You have the low numbers, high numbers, and then you go to the low numbers. 2 for 39, that's lower, lower. 29 is lower. 31 is lower. 34 is lower than 59, and 1 is lower. So that tells me that when I work with this number, it's going to be low. So I'm not going to take the 29 and shoot these numbers to it, calculate it, and shoot it up. Now down here on 39, they did. And there's a reason for that, but I'll explain that at the proper moment. But this is not it. So let's figure it out. So I'm going to go with 11, because most of these numbers I use them as elementary numbers, the 7, the 5, and the 11. So we go 11. Now if you'd notice how many times I went over, or how far I went over and went down, you do the same thing. So you go 11 to whatever it is. Do you do 4 minus 2? 2 minus 4 is 2. 2 from 11 is, not saying that's the right number. Okay, we'll go from 11, 4, 2, and 12. 2 from 12 is 10. 10 from 22 is 12. 12 and 11, is that the number? This is what I'm trying to show you. The first number, once you get that, I'll start moving over and doing more numbers. Once I get the views, the subscriptions, the following, the likes, I will release the rules to the lottery. Then you'll be able to study it. It will take you probably about 10 minutes to figure out the thing. It's not no 3,000 pages. There's only one page or possibly two. That's all it is. And this will eliminate me and you'll be able to do any lottery in the world. But once you get into this, and you may find out now that it's kind of hard. Do you use it as a 29? Do you use it as a 22? Do you use it as a 2? Or do you 11, 4, and 2? This is what you need the rules to the lottery for. And you need to practice on these. The first number. So I'm going to call it quits here today. Hopefully this did not confuse you. Hopefully it helped you. I appreciate y'all viewing, and help me out. As soon as you do, I will release the rules to the lottery. You have a great one. Thanks.